Guys, welcome you all back to my channel. I still remain your boy Treadmill, the Spike King. You know why they call me the Spike King? Because all I do is catch spikes. And today I'm gonna show you guys a new strategy you can use in catching spikes on Boom. And you can see we're on Boom 500 index right now, and we are on a 1 hour time frame. This is a live chat. So quickly before we start, if you watching this video right now, I would like you to like the video, subscribe, turn on the notification button to get notified whenever we drop a new video, so you can always get to learn a lot from us. And also don't forget to share the video. And if you want to learn more about Forex, how to make money on Forex, how to trade well, you can check on the description page. You will see our Telegram link. You can click on the link and join our group, which we share knowledge and we share ideas on how to make money on Forex, and we also drop signals for your daily trade. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we are on Boom 500, and we are on a one time frame, and what we are trying to do here is catch spikes. Catch spikes. And why do you want to catch spikes? Because we want to make money. And trust me, guys, you're going to make money when you use this strategy, because I use it a lot and it's been working. On my last videos, if you check, you can see the strategies I've been using and it's been working, and I believe you guys try using it too, and I hope it worked out for you too. So today on Boom 500, we are going to catch a spike today. And like I always said, before you enter into any trade, you have to understand the structure of the market. And how do you understand the structure of the market? Okay, first of all, you have to understand if the market is actually on an uptrend, or if it's on downtrend, or it's just a range market. But from what we are seeing here, you could say that this is an uptrend. And when a market is on uptrend, what do? You look for buying opportunity. But I always say this, but not just because the market is on uptrend, it means if you just enter and start buying, that you will start buying. No, sometimes the market do change direction, and the moment you just enter the trade to start buying, it changes the direction and it starts selling. So first you have to analyze and be sure that the market will still buy. If your analysis are not working well, like you're not sure, you still, like what I always say, that patience matters a lot in Forex. If you don't have patience, you won't make money, you won't win. So you have to be patient most times. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you add your indicators. You add your relative strength index, you add your moving average, and you add your envelopes. Okay, first, the relative strength index period is 14, apply to close, style 3 pixel, level is 1090, and when that is done, you click done. Okay, you click on your indicators again, go to your moving average, period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel, black. You know why you can use any color, but why I'm using black is for you to like apply, like for it to show more boldly on my chart, so I can see it clearly, like I can see it very well, because you might use some other colors and you can't really see the chart movement. So I choose black because it comes up very bold and clear. Okay, and when you finish, you click done, you go to the indicators again, and click on envelopes. Period 70, shape 0, deviation 0.9. Method simple. Apply to close. Start, the upper band is red and lower band is green. The upper band 2 pixel red color, lower band 3 pixels green color. You know why I'm using red color and green? It's so I can identify which one is the upper band, which one is the lower band, because if you use the same colors it might contradict and you get confused on what you're doing, so you have to use different colors. You can use any color you like, but I choose to use red and green because I think it's sharp and bright enough for me to see clearly. Okay, when that is done, you click done. So one thing I like doing most on my charts before I enter a trade is I love using my support and resistance a lot. Okay, because it really helps to help me understand how the market has been doing for the past few minutes or hours, and you really need to learn how to use the support and resistance. If you don't really understand how to use support and resistance, you can chat me up. You check our description page, you see my WhatsApp number, you see my Telegram group, you can join, chat me up, and we'll teach you and show you how to use the support and resistance on your charts, because it helps a lot. So the first thing we're gonna do now is we'll look for a strong base. And what is this strong base? The strong base is an area where the market has been playing around for some time, like maybe it keeps hitting and reverse, it keeps coming back. Like, okay, let me show you this. Like, okay, the current market, like as you can see, the current market price right now, where it is, you can see that place is a stronghold because the market have been hitting that spot several times, going up, coming down, coming up, coming down. So that is strong. Sorry, that's a strong position. So what we are gonna do right now is okay, what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna use our sorry about that, our line, and we get to draw our trend line here. Sorry about this. And we get to draw our support line here. This is our resistance, and this is our support. Okay, so another thing is, before you get into a trade, you have to know about the action price. You have to really understand what's an action price, where you get to place your entry, so you won't just start losing money in the market. So right now we place our support. This is our support, this is our resistance, because we notice that the market has been playing around this position. It keeps coming down, going up, coming down, hits a resistance, going up, come down, resistance, and keeps going up. But don't forget that if the market should break this level, this will no more be the market should break this level, this will turn, because right now I can still call it a support level right now. I can call it a support level because here is still our resistance level. But the market should break this line. it's no more a support. It turns resistance while this turns a support level. So this region right here is where the market has been playing around for some time now, and so we are definitely expecting the market to, you know, catch a spike at this point. Okay, so and I want to show you guys how to know where you catch your spike, because with the indicators we use down here, you can see that. Let me show you. Okay, as you can see, when the market got here, it spiked. It got here, it spiked, went up, came down again, and it spiked, went up, came down here, and it spiked, went up again, came down here, and it spiked, came and it spiked, spiked, and it spiked. So this is how you get to understand where you're definitely going to catch your spike. You know where the market will definitely hit a spike from these indicators. It's very simple, guys. Like I always say, it's very simple. Just look at how the trend is going. When the market got down here, you can see it got a spike from here. The same thing happened here, it got a spike. Same thing happened here, we got a spike. So we are actually expecting a spike from this level. Okay, and where is that? This is the level, which is our support level. So all you do right now is, after placing your resistance line here, you place your support line here. So doing this now, you actually be sure, on 90% sure, that even if you enter a trade from this level and it breaks down to this level and still breaks down to this level, you don't have to be scared, because definitely you're going to catch a spike between this level. Like from this level to here, you're definitely going to catch a spike. Okay, all right, let's go down to a lower time frame so we can see how the spikes are really coming. Okay, so I'm actually expecting to catch a spike before this very level. I want you guys to watch and understand. Actually, the spikes might happen before it gets down to this level, but I'm just trying to let you guys understand that even if you enter the trade now and the market gets down to this position, you don't have to be scared, because you're actually going to catch a spike. Okay, let's just watch and see. Okay, let's see the region from here. We believe the market is, and the market is actually like coming down right now. So if you're on a trade right now, you'll be running at, okay, you see, we just got it. Like I just said, we just got a spike, because we actually knew the market won't get to surpass this level without catching a spike. And even if it got to surpass this level and gets down to our support level, we definitely gonna catch a spike between this range, and we just got a spike. So guys, this is very simple. Like, it's very simple. Like, it's a strategy I've been using for some time, and it's always working. you have to understand how to use support and resistance, because this will actually help you a lot. And you have to understand these indicators too. All right, because like I showed you guys, it's just simple. Like when I mean it's simple when you have the better understanding of how this works. And how do you understand this? Like I said earlier, you can join our Telegram group, and or you talk to me on WhatsApp, and we'll have a discussion, and I'll share the knowledge with you. I'll make you understand how to read this trade, how to read this chart, and how to read this indicator, so you know how to catch a spike next time you're running a trade on Boomerang. Okay, guys, I had to cut the video because it was kind of taking much time to actually show how these spikes were coming out. So I had to just cut it and take you back to where the spikes were coming out. As you can see, this position here was here was a former resistance. This is where we had our resistance, and this is where we had our support. As you can see, the spike now came up to this level before the market started coming down to here again. So I just wanted to show you guys how the market turned out. Okay, that we actually succeeded in making more profit from here, but this was a resistance. We actually succeeded in catching a spike and making more profit to here before the market now started coming down to here, and we are still expecting more spike if at all we'll be able to still watch this video, but it will take much time because we don't have much time to waste. So all we really wanted was just to show you guys how to catch these spikes, and you see we've catch the spike and we've made profit already, because this is where we had our support, and this is where we had our resistance. So the spike now brought us up to this level, and we made a profit. So guys, that's it. It's very simple. If you just follow the strategy well, if you can understand this perfectly, you're definitely gonna make money. So guys, this is how it turned out, and we made profit. So I would like you guys to just watch this video over and over again to have a better understanding. And if you still find it very difficult, like I said earlier, check on the description page and you can join our Telegram group, and you join me on WhatsApp to talk to me privately on anything you want to ask me. Then let's make this money together. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you guys some other time. Bye.